These look really nice. Braided, flexible. They're going to be pretty long too. You can see here how long they are. It's about 6 feet tall almost, seems like. Alright, so it's plugged into a power source. Plug it in here. Then you can see that it immediately charged. Got it ready. Yeah, good cords, good set of cords. We always need extra because we're breaking them too much.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that product review. Make sure, again, you click the link in the description if you want to go see what it looks like and see if it's on sale. Also, click that video down here. It's another product review that you're going to love, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like.